Every year, farmers generate billions of tons of agricultural waste. From leftover crops to manure and everything in between, this waste often gets discarded or, worse, ends up in landfills. But here's the twist. You can turn that waste into profit. Today, we're exploring 10 innovative businesses that will allow you to transform your agricultural waste into valuable products while making farms more sustainable and profitable. So, let's jump in. Let's start with something that's easy to implement and great for the environment: composting. As a farmer, you probably already deal with leftover crop residues, manure, and other organic waste. Why not recycle those materials into something useful? Composting is a natural process where organic materials like crop leftovers, food scraps, and animal waste are broken down by microorganisms, turning them into rich, dark compost. Not only is this great for improving soil fertility, but it also helps reduce your farm's reliance on expensive chemical fertilizers. You can start small by setting up a composting operation on your farm. Collect crop waste, manure, and other organic materials, and in a few months, you'll have high-quality compost that you can use on your own fields or sell to local farmers, gardeners, and landscaping businesses. It's a great way to reduce waste, enrich your soil, and make some extra money on the side. Next up, let's talk about something that's gaining traction all over the world: biogas production. As a farmer, you deal with manure and crop leftovers on a regular basis. But did you know that you can turn these materials into clean, renewable energy? Biogas is produced through a process called anaerobic digestion, where microorganisms break down organic matter in the absence of oxygen, producing methane gas. This gas can be captured and used to power your farm, heat buildings, and even provide additional revenue if you generate excess energy that can be sold back to the grid. With government incentives available in many areas, this is a win-win for both the environment and your bottom line. Now, let's look at a business that's perfect for farmers with livestock: animal feed production. If you have leftover crop byproducts like corn stalks, wheat bran, rice husks, or even food scraps, you can process these into high-quality animal feed. Animal feed is a vital part of every farm that raises animals, whether it's for cattle, poultry, or even fish farming. By recycling agricultural waste into feed, you can reduce the cost of feeding your livestock and even turn this into a business opportunity by selling the feed to other local farmers or livestock producers. Not only does this reduce waste on your farm, but it also creates a product that's in constant demand. Whether you make your own feed or start a small feed production business, this is a great way to turn agricultural byproducts into something that pays you back. Speaking of sustainability, natural fibres are another incredible opportunity. With consumers increasingly looking for eco-friendly clothing and products, farmers can recycle crop residues into natural fibres for the fashion, home goods, and construction industries. Starting a natural fibre production business helps reduce waste while tapping into a growing market for sustainable textiles. Now here's a fun one: mushroom farming. If you have straw, sawdust, or even corn stalks lying around, you can use them to grow delicious mushrooms. Mushrooms are not only a great source of protein, but they're also in high demand. By turning agricultural waste into gourmet mushrooms, you can create a niche business that's perfect for selling at farmers' markets, local grocery stores, or restaurants. How about turning agricultural waste into charcoal? Materials like coconut shells, rice husks, and other plant materials can be converted into high-quality charcoal that's perfect for grilling, industrial uses, and even water filtration. This is an ideal product for farmers looking to recycle waste while creating a high-demand product. Charcoal made from agricultural byproducts is eco-friendly, as it doesn't contribute to deforestation, and it's used around the world. Another profitable way to recycle waste is by producing biochar. Biochar is a type of charcoal made from agricultural waste, like crop residues, wood chips, or even manure. This process is called pyrolysis, and it's a game changer for improving soil health. You can produce biochar right on your farm, turning waste into a valuable soil enhancer. When you add biochar to soil, it helps increase its carbon storage, improves water retention, and boosts overall soil fertility. Plus, biochar is carbon negative, meaning it actually locks carbon away in the soil, helping to fight climate change. It's a profitable way to deal with waste, improve your land, and sell a product that benefits other farmers. Let's talk about a sustainable packaging business. If you grow crops like wheat, rice, or sugarcane, you can use leftover materials like straw and bagasse to create biodegradable paper or eco-friendly packaging. As demand for sustainable alternatives to plastic grows, this is a fantastic opportunity for farmers to take part in the eco-friendly revolution. Now, let's talk about bioplastics. Bioplastics are made from renewable plant-based materials, and the best part is they can be made from agricultural waste like corn, cassava, and rice husks. This is a perfect opportunity for farmers to turn their crop byproducts into eco-friendly plastics. Farmers can process their crops into bioplastics for use in packaging, food containers, and even clothing. And let's not forget about essential oils. Farmers with crops like lavender, citrus, or mint can turn leftover plant material into essential oils, which are used in everything from perfumes to aromatherapy and natural cleaning products. Essential oils are a lucrative market, and with your farm's byproducts, you can tap into the world of wellness and beauty. The best part? It's a high-value product that requires minimal land and labor to produce. So there you have it, 10 profitable and sustainable businesses that you can start by turning your agricultural waste into something valuable. From composting to creating bioplastics, biochar, and even essential oils, there's no shortage of opportunities to turn waste into profit. Which of these ideas inspired you? Let us know in the comments.